Hi, I'm Brett.
Hi, I'm Ryan, and this is Plus Plus.
Yeah, for me, I like the simplicity. Whether you're a creative or just a simple sales guy like me, anybody can use Plus Plus. It's easy enough for anyone to engage with, but if you've got big ideas, you can do some pretty big things with it.
I love Plus Plus for a lot of reasons. Obviously very versatile, right? One shape that you can do a whole lot of different things with, clearly.
Someone who's never played with Plus Plus before can pick it up, understand how it works, and make something right away. But for people who've been playing with it for years, it's still a challenge.
There's nothing else like it that I know of on the market where you can build absolutely anything.
It's a great opportunity to flex the creative muscles that you have.
Anyone can play with it, and it's filled color. It's great for STEM. It's great for parents and teachers.
Encouraging that open-ended creative play is something that really excites me and I think is needed now more than ever.
My favorite color is easily coral.
I like the pearl.
Cornflower blue.
Maroon.
That pastel blue. I love blue.
I think for me it's coral. It just really pops.
The lime green one.
All the blues. Blue's my favorite color.
I have to go with orange.
They might not know that it's here in Greenville.
That it is made in a factory that's powered 100% by wind energy.
That we have two sizes. We have regular and big, and you can use the exact same instructions and the builds can get pretty epic.
Plus Plus big floats, which people don't often realize, so it can be a fun bath toy. Oh wow. It's a lot of years.
My favorite memory, pretty recent actually, is designing isoscapes.
Probably the first one of the early toy fairs, for sure.
Hugs on arrival. Whenever I come to the Greenville office, everybody's happy to see me, and we give big hugs.
I think probably for me it was the first time going to Denmark and seeing the production, seeing Plus Plus being made in the factory in the middle of a field in the middle of nowhere in Denmark, and just understanding more about how it comes to be and how much sort of pride in the craftsmanship they have in the product over there. By rule I don't have favorites, but yeah.
I like the water car.
The Hexel, specifically waterfall.
Actually, this one of our isoscapes, the cabin specifically, because it looks like a place I'd like to visit.
Yeah, for me it's critters.
The Van Gogh.
Probably the rocket. Saturn V rocket.
For me, it's Isoscape's cabin, but I'm partial.
I'm going to say puzzle by number, more specifically the puzzle by number holiday wreath, the Christmas wreath. And because I'm going to get a little sappy on you here, because it was the first Plus Plus that I built with my wife. We did it together around Christmas time this last year, and so I have a soft spot in my heart for that.
Don't overthink it. Just start doing it.
Don't be intimidated.
Have an imagination.
Be creative.
Know that the possibilities actually are endless. There are tons of things you can do.
And don't feel like there's one way to build Plus Plus. Every way of playing with Plus Plus is correct.
Just start flat. Just lay it on the table, pretend it's a puzzle, find some patterns, find some stripes, find some way that you want to create, and then from there you can curve it and do other things with it.
I mean, obviously a throne, a Plus Plus Game of Thrones Iron Throne is definitely top of my list.
Giant life-size tiger would be neat, or like a life-size lion or something.
A physical ball, like a soccer ball or something.
One would be, I've always wanted to make a life-size car because I'm a car guy.
I'd build a cover for my pool table with the Niners logo on it. That would be awesome. I'll do the same thing, but for my PlayStation.
I want to try to build like a vehicle, like a shuttle or like a Formula One car. I think that would be pretty epic.
Maybe a giant Plus Plus tiny house that I can retire into someday would be awesome.
What does creativity mean to me? Allowing yourself the freedom to explore.
Being inspired and using your imagination to the fullest.
I'd say no limitations, just letting your mind wander and drawing connections between different types of things, between things in the natural world and things from your own experience, and connecting the dots.
Trying stuff. Trying different stuff. Seeing what sticks. That's what creativity means to me.
For me, creativity is the superpower to take nothing and make something out of it.
Letting go of preconceived notions and just sort of doing what you're inspired to do or what comes natural to you.
Because I love the opportunity that it presents to everybody.
It's just one of those serene activities that you can do anywhere.
It's a great education opportunity.
For me, it's the fact that it's an evergreen toy. You can make something with it, enjoy it, but you can take it apart and build something completely different with the exact same pieces.
Anybody, everybody can do something with plus plus, no matter your age, your stage, your interests. It can be fun for anyone.